Hi, Kevin. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitors' sites. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use yourself today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the Armored Restoration homepage. I can see that a lot of time and or money was spent into the site. It looks very professional, and I can see that it's also very user-friendly, easy to navigate. However, as I'm scrolling through, I'm not seeing a lot of original content. Google is going to be ranking your website based off around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this home page. I did a word counter search and you currently have 582 words, so I would suggest adding in some more content here. You want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they are looking for. In addition to having enough content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. And so Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. A good example of a keyword right here is water damage restoration Vancouver, WA. This keyword brings in around 100 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those searches into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one single keyword. Beneath the search bar, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads can be a great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition. They're also good to take advantage of when the market is hot or you want to promote a special event or offer that you have going on. They can also be a good fast leads option while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, they're not going to be your best long-term ROI. Beneath the ads, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is extremely important. It can produce huge amounts of revenue. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are here. Also, be careful when you're entering your information into these directories that it looks identical down to every last character to the information on your Google business profile in order for it to be counted as a citation. Now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one on the first page. In addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And so you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered relevant sites. For example, if a local plumbing company with a powerful site were to give you a backlink, that would be a really good way to bring more power to your site. Over here, I popped onto SEMrush. SEMrush is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little bit pricey. It costs me upwards of $300 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. And so here I typed in a competitor, Circunin Restoration. They were on the first page for that keyword that I just looked up. Right here I can see they have 61 backlinks from 38 different domains, and they are ranking organically for 149 different keywords. So here I can click and see which keywords they are ranking for. You want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. So here it will list all the different keywords they're ranking for, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, how much traffic it brings them, and how many people search for that keyword every single month. We can actually organize this by the amount of traffic. And so you can go through and see which keywords bring them the most traffic to their site. You can go through and select the best ones and incorporate them into your content. So now I'm going to go back and do the same thing that I just did with the keywords to their backlinks. And so right now it's telling me they have 61 different backlinks. You don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks. You want to beat them out with the quality as well. You can go through and see which ones have a high AS authority score. Click on the best ones and see if you can have your website added to these different pages. Now you can go through these backlinks, you can go through other competitors' backlinks, and then find some on your own as well. Over here, I've typed in your website into SEMrush. Right now, it's telling me you have 46 backlinks from 23 referring domains, and you are ranking organically for 74 keywords. So I'm just going to take a look and see which keywords you're ranking for and how well you're ranking for them. So I can see that 100% of the traffic that you get is from Armor Restoration, your own company name. So it would be hard for someone to find you if they weren't already looking for you in the first place. But I think you could get rise in the ranks for the right keywords if you incorporate the 3 things that I spoke about in this video into your online marketing plan, which, to recap, number 1, more quality educational content with the right keywords. Number 2, more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, you want more high-powered relevant backlinks. So now I'm going to go back and take a look at the amount of traffic that you get going into your site. So right now it's saying that you have 14 people finding you organically every month. If I take a look at the competitor, they have 111 people finding them organically every month. And so if they were to close 25% of those clicks into customers, that would be 27 new customers every month. Multiply that by the cost of an average restoration job at $2,500, and that's $67,500. And factor in a 50% gross profit margin, and they're at $33,750 per month through their website. And so that gives you a pretty good idea of how lucrative having a powerful site can be when it's ranking for the right keywords. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can just email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching and I look forward to speaking with you.